One of the things that you'll hear me talk about often is the time frame that you're trading. So there are going to be different traders that are going to look at different setups, and a lot of times I will do work on both sides of the market, and that's where it gets confusing. But it doesn't have to be, as long as you choose the time frame that you are interested in trading. So for example, I'm going to start by looking at a daily chart of gold, and recently we've seen a nice counter trend rally within a larger downtrend, and we're up into a zone where we could fail and where I can define risk on the sell side. So if you're trading this time frame, you might be looking at possible shorts, for example, against this resistance at 1187.80 to 1193.60. And that can define your risk as far as the short side. If we stay underneath it, you can keep the trade. If you rally through it, then we're wrong on that particular setup. But what if you're trading this time frame? Okay, well, this is a 60-minute chart of gold futures, and on this time frame, it's a nice healthy pattern of higher highs and higher lows. And this actually developed off of some key weekly support that I had back here. Okay, so if you're trading this time frame, I obviously will have different trading parameters for you. I would have you look at possible support, and I would have you wait for a buy trigger that tells you that it's worth placing a bet against the support. And the general area that I'd look at on this time frame would be either this 1166.20 to 1170.80 area, which we're starting to test now, or this one other projection comes in just a little bit lower at 1164.20. If price can hold above, one of these two different decisions, and you start seeing buy triggers, you can take a trade on the buy side, and you can define your risk either underneath the low that's made prior to your buy trigger or underneath the zone. So again, I've given you more than one trade setup here, but one is for somebody that would be looking at the daily time frame chart, and the other is for someone who would be looking at the lower time frame chart. So one of the important things that you do need to do as a trader is define what time frame you are trading, and then go with those parameters.